Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add advanced page numbering in Adobe InDesign. Here you can see that I have a document on my canvas and I want to add page numbers to it. For this, we need to use our parent page. Go to the Pages tab and here you can see that I have used only my parent page as a format. Next, double-click the first A parent. Take the Type tool and create a text box at the bottom left of the page and type a temporary number like 1. Now, increase the font size according to your needs. Resize the text box. Then go to Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, and choose Current Page Number. The number you entered should change to the parent page marker. Now zoom out a bit. Duplicate the text box by pressing Ctrl+Alt and dragging that text box all the way to the right page. Go to the Properties tab and align it to the right. If I go back to the Pages tab, you can see that the page numbers are added to my pages because I used A parent pages for all of my pages. If you didn't use the parent page, select the first page, then press Shift and select the last page. This will select all the pages of your document. Next, right-click on the selected pages, choose Apply Parent to Pages, and click OK. Now, the numbers are added to all of your pages. If you want to add a 0 before single-digit page numbers, it's simple. Make sure nothing is selected in the Pages tab, go to the Burger menu in the top right corner of the panel, and select Numbering and Section options. In the dialog, under Page Numbering, go to Style and choose 01, 02, 03. Click OK. Here you can see that my numbers are now 01, 02, etc. If you want to start page numbering from a different page, you can do that as well. Select the page from where you want to start counting. Suppose I want to start the page count at page 5, so I will select page 4 to the last page. Now, right-click, choose Numbering and Section options, turn on this option, and set Start Page Number at 1 or any number you want. Press OK, and OK again. Now your selected page starts with the page number you chose. That's a quick guide to advanced page numbering in InDesign. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.